Now that we know what a currency pair is, we'll go through the major pairs. There are 4 major pairs: Euro to the US dollar, Pound to the US dollar to the Swiss franc, and the US dollar to the Japanese yen. Other pairs worth trading are Australian dollar to the US dollar, New Zealand dollar to the US dollar to the Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to the Japanese yen, Euro to the Japanese yen, Pound to the Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar to the Japanese yen, and the Euro to the Pound. So over time, you may favour trading some pairs over others. For example, I like to trade the Australian dollar to the US dollar and the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen because I live in Australia. So if you live in Europe, you may favour trading the Euro to the US dollar or the Euro to the Japanese yen.